Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to charge your batteries in Subnautica below zero. First of all, pick up your habitat builder, right click, go to the interior modules and select the battery charger. Now you want to go ahead and place it on the wall with the left click and construct it. You're going to need some copper wire and titanium to build it, and of course a wiring kit. Now, to use it, you're gonna need to have some kind of a power source. In my case, I have a solar panel on the roof and also a nuclear reactor. To access it, just aim on it, left click, and it's going to open your inventory, and you can place your discharged batteries inside of it. It can charge ion batteries and normal batteries also. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.